Hi Naveen,
Hi, ma'am.
how are you?
Fine, ma'am. What about you, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm good. This is Divya from Quality Department. Today I want to take a feedback video from your side.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah, before starting that, congratulations for your placements, Naveen.
Thank you.
Yeah, Naveen, can you introduce about yourself and about your native?
Yes, sir. My name is Naveen Nayak. I'm graduated in Global Academy of Technology in Bangalore. Passed out in 2023, and after that, I have taken a course of IDM and BIM in through CMTI, and now I pursued and I got a placed in True Interiors, like a site supervisor in the True Interiors company. Uh,
Yeah, Naveen, like how you got to know about CMTI?
I got to know about the like in social media. I have gone through it, and my friend has she referred me through here, and I have joined that. And I checked some of in social media also.
Okay, like your friend completed the course in CMTI?
Yeah, still she is pursuing now, and she is giving like interview and
Oh, okay, that's nice.
yeah.
Like what you have learned in IDM, what are you have gained the knowledge?
In Medium, I learnt about the design softwares in interior, and through CMTI they have got lot of opportunities for site visits and interior site visits and some of creatives and this one. They taught about the design softwares.
Okay, like which are the sites you have attended and the interior visits, what you have completed?
I'm they CMPA through CMPA they located many site visits and through there and some of the companies like IKEA, IBO, Homeline, Interior Design. They are basically company on interior design. That's all. And live projects of through interiors.
Okay, that's nice. Like how CMTI app helped you out? What are the benefit of that?
It's help to me like interview basis man. They have interview questions and all the guidelines and certain videos are there in CMTI app. I have gone through it and I have read them. Now, yeah, I get a knowledge about the interior design. When
Okay, that's
I am
nice.
free, I can watch them.
Yeah, that's nice. Like how was your interview process? How it conducted? How you cracked out?
Some interview was fine, and what they are taught in CMTI, that best questions also they are asking. They have asked like the main concepts of interview questions. They have preparing them for students.
Yeah, it's okay. Like how the trainer supported you, how their guidance helped you out.
I mean, trainers are very good and they will support. If any doubts, means they will clarify there only at a time.
Okay. Okay. Like how Ashok sir words helped you out, how is motivated you guys.
Ashok sir directly, I heard of class on in online only through online. They will guide about the interview questions and placements for students. They focus directly on placements.
Okay, that's nice. Like finally, what you want to say to your friends and juniors?
It's an best academy ma'am, for interior design and construction management. We can learn more knowledge and we can gain the knowledge through CMTI. In colleges, they will not give such efficient knowledge about the construction management. They will basically they will tell the chapters. That's all. In CMTI, live projects and about the live interior designers, they will provide design based courses. They will teach.
Yeah, thank you, Naveen, for your feedback. I
And
think you're happy with your placements. Yeah,
so
congratulations for your placements. Thank you, Naveen. Have a bright future.